Hi, I'm Natalie from California Care Real Estate Group. Today, let's break down what $1 million buys you in different cities across California. In San Francisco, $1 million might only get you a cozy one-bedroom condo, around 600 to 800 square feet. You're paying for the prime location, stunning views, and walkability, but space is a luxury you won't find here. Despite the limited square footage, the allure of San Francisco lies in its vibrant culture and breathtaking vistas. The trade-off between location and space is a reality many buyers face in this iconic city. In Los Angeles, $1 million can secure a two-bedroom, one-bath home in neighborhoods like Highland Park or Mid-City. While space is limited, the lifestyle and amenities make LA a desirable choice for many buyers. Some of the best value can still be found in parts of the valley, where you might even score a charming backyard. So even with tighter square footage, the lifestyle benefits of LA are undeniable. In San Diego, $1 million stretches further, offering 3 bedrooms and 2 baths in family-friendly areas like Claremont. You're still close to the beach, making it an attractive option for families. Sacramento offers even more space, with newer 4 or 5 bedroom homes, often with a pool and large yard. The trade-off is less urban buzz, but significantly more breathing room. In Fresno and other Central Valley cities, $1 million buys modern constructions, custom finishes, and expansive land makes it a dream home territory, offering long-term investment potential. The takeaway? Location dictates value. Whether you seek lifestyle, land, or investment, choosing the right area is key. For personalized guidance, reach out to us at 408-888-3855 and explore your options.